Hello you guys, my name is Shantae Holiday, and in this video I will be showing you how I do my makeup with no foundation. I hope you enjoy it and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I have taken off my glasses, I have pulled my hair back, and now we can officially get started. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and start off with our primer. Okay, so we're gonna use the Maybelline Grippy Primer, and you only need 2 to 3 drops on each side of your face. And once you've put that on, you just rub it in. Alrighty. And you guys, I'm applying the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, okay? So first, of course, I put it underneath my eyes, but then I'm also going to add some up here to my T-zone, as well as the sides of my face too. And I'm just gonna take my sponge again, and I'm just gonna blot that in. And then this is basically going to be our base today, since we're not using foundation. So you really want to make sure you blend that in well. Alrighty. So now that we have our concealer on, the next thing that we want to do is we want to get our e.l.f. bronzer and contour. It's liquid. And we want to just go ahead and apply that right under the cheekbones. To the chin. And right on the sides of your nose, like on the side where we put the concealer. And then a little bit at the top as well. And so for that, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Do Care brush. And I'm just gonna blend that in. And I'll make sure to link all the things that I use down in the description area as well. So next, after we use the contour, we're going to go ahead in with our brows. So for me, I use the Ellen Tracy Brown Definer. So first, we just want to go ahead and brush our brows up and over. And then we want to go ahead and take the brow pencil and the first thing that I do is I line it up like this just to make sure I'm gonna do it even. Okay, and now you just want to go ahead and fill that in. Right. You want to do the same thing to the other side. Awesome. So now that we've done our brows, the next thing we want to go ahead and do is our blush. And I'm going for more of a clean look today, so I don't want to put on too much blush, just a little bit. So I'm just going to put like 2 dots on my cheekbones. And I'm gonna take my blush brush by e.l.f. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blot that in.
If a food carries the seeds of a plant, which food group does it belong to?
Okay. And my son is sitting beside me doing his homeschool.
Yeah.
So if you hear that in the background, that's what that is. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and blot in our liquid blush. All right, cool. So now that we have in our blush, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go ahead and apply our eyeliner. I use that, it's called Hand Diane eyeliner. I believe I got it from like Shein, to be honest with you, but I'll put another one that you can get as well that I really like from Amazon in the description. And so now that we have it on one eye, we just want to go ahead and apply our eyeliner to our other eye now. Okay, so now that we've applied our eyeliner, we want to go ahead and apply our mascara now. I use the Telescopic by L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black Mascara. And I hate it when my eyelashes flip under. It's super annoying. But yeah, you just want to go ahead and take your mascara and apply that to your lashes. It amazes me how long your lashes can look with just like a little mascara on, because my lashes are like super short. So yeah. And so once you've applied it to one eye, you want to go ahead and do the next eye. Okay, awesome. So now that we have on our mascara, what we want to do next is we want to go ahead and get our lip liner. And I use the Ruby Kisses Auto Lip Liner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. Alrighty. And today I'm not gonna do lipstick. Today instead, I'm gonna use the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Apple Crisp.
What's Chris in there?
Alrighty, and that is the finished look for today. I hope you guys really liked it. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop that down in the comment section. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. And yeah, bye guys.